On August 11th, 2026, the historic city of Palencia became a quiet crossroads for the scientific world. For 2 days, time seemed to slow down as people from across the globe gathered with a single shared purpose: to raise their eyes to the sky. Day 1 belonged to discovery. Long before the moon began its journey, the event opened its arms to the youngest minds, children holding the universe in their hands for the very first time. Science brought down to eye level, sparking a quiet, lasting fire across generations. Inside the halls, the intellectual groundwork was laid, driven by the Instituto de Astrofísica de Canarias, alongside esteemed partners from Morocco's Mohammed VI Polytechnic University and leading institutions from the United States. Researchers exchanged ideas across borders. Solar physics, data engineering, and stellar mechanics merged into a unified global mission.
وهنا نلاحظ المسافة الحقيقية بين الشمس، لأن الشمس بعيدة جدا من الأرض حوالي أكثر من 150 مليون كيلومتر، والمسافة ما بين الشمس والأرض، ما بين الأرض والقمر حوالي 300,000 كيلومتر.
As evening closed in, the simulation of the future began. Protocols aligned, data streams tested, instruments balanced to the microfraction, a rehearsal under the stars, holding its breath for what tomorrow would bring.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, Kevin. All right. I saw إضافة أنه نوزع له شوية من الدورات الشمسية لأنه من
So you're standing in the way,
Hello everyone, today we are at Palencia, so we're preparing for this total solar eclipse tomorrow. So we are preparing, there's teams of Moroccan and our Spanish people. So we're making teams and preparing the setup for tomorrow, inshallah. So we will be watching the total eclipse, inshallah, so stay tuned.
De varias decenas de millones de Kelvin y a presiones la gravedad de su material.
Day 2. The air changes. Palencia pulses as thousands gather beneath the open sky. The tension is palpable. Every eye turned toward an invisible countdown.
Classical design.
And history wakes up. More than a century ago, this exact brass lens turned toward a dark sun. Today, across generations, it looks again, not simply to mirror the past, but to anchor what we know against the vast canvas of time.
La foto de Nate finalmente sin tocar telescopios. ¿Quién está a cargo de la foto de Nate?
totality. A cosmic alignment witnessed as one. A momentary darkness that illuminates everything we are and everything we are capable of achieving together.
Venus is there! Woo! Look! What the sunset! No! Tell me when I should tell you. What the sunset! Okay, I know you. Watch out!
The shadow passes. But this is only the beginning. The rehearsal in Palencia sets the stage for the greatest astronomical event of the century. Stay tuned. The path leads south to Morocco, 2027.